Hello everyone, welcome to another solutions video. In this video, we're going to be counting the number of vowels in a consonant has in a string, and we're going to be solving that using a for loop. So here we go. So we're going to be doing both of them at the same time. So let's grab one input, and we're going to call that user input. Use the input function to grab a string from the user. Okay, let's now set processing and output. At this moment, before we go into the for loop, I want to create two variables and initialize them because we're interested in the number of vowels and number of consonants. Every time I find a vowel, I'm going to increase that vowel variable, and every time I find a consonant, I'm going to increase the consonant variable. So vowel set to 0, and we're going to set consonant set to 0 as well. Consonant. Now let's construct our for loop. We're going to go for an iterating variable called character in user input. On every iteration now, character represents each item in that user input starting from the beginning. So we're going to say if that character variable is inside a string of A-E-I-O-U or capital A-E-I-O-U. That means that if this character was found inside that string, it means that character is a vowel. So in this case, we're going to increase it by 1. Otherwise, if that was false, then we have a constant. So we're going to increase the consonant variable by 1. Now, on line 25, I just wrote a comment that says that right now I've reached the end of my for loop and I've unindented out. This is just a programming practice that I like to keep doing because I get to track where I have unindented and I've exited a code block. So here for our output, we're going to say user input, value of the user input has vowels, and we're going to print user input has consonant. Okay, so let's try this program. We're going to click run. We're going to input taco cat. So the word taco cat has 3 vowels, the A and the O and the A, and has 4 consonants. So we are now increasing our complexity. Now we get to add a complexity, the conditional statement to check whether if that single character inside our word or user input was a vowel. If so, we increase the vowel variable that we initialized before, or we increase the consonant variable if it wasn't a vowel. So this way, we're now using a for loop to iterate each item in a sequence of a string, and now we're doing some little analysis. I hope that you can see that now we're starting to increase our complexity of our problems, and we'll now be able to use these knowledge to solve harder and future problems that we may face. Thank you for watching. Stay classy.